lots of these little benches along the way. This takes us to the pond at the end. There's little dens and things along here. Afternoon.
I've got a canoe, right?
Yeah.
And it comes apart in the middle.
Yeah.
And you can put a middle section in
Right.
for a second person. And it all locks together.
Oh wow, that'd be great.
I think we brought it here. Sure, we should go out there. We'd have to have the proper life jackets on.
Yeah. Well, in actual fact, when I came around earlier on the first occasion, over around about where that person is on that staging post there, there was an upturned blue canoe.
An upturned one?
Yeah, so it didn't fill with water, you know?
Oh, it's at the side of the...
Yeah. Oh yeah, not in the water.
I was going to say, was somebody in it still? You go, no.
I don't know. Yeah.
This is great.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what do you think, Paul?
Brilliant. Brilliant. Fancy swim?
It's so pleasant, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just like, it's on our doorstep.
Yeah.
There's loads of paths going.
I know, I haven't been down that one. Yeah. Well, I'm just in the process of discovering them all, you see. Look at these lovely trees.
You're feeling it better and better each time you come.
I am. What do you think to this then, Paul?
It's brilliant. This is the place to come. Sit here with your picnic. Look at that tree over there that's leaning.
Lovely.